From crispy Karanji to melt in the mouth Mysore Pak, here are 5 traditional Indian sweets you can make quickly at home. Let's make crispy and delicious Karanji at home first. Prepare a firm dough using maida and ghee. Knead the dough and keep it for resting. Mix coconut, suji or semolina, sugar, cashews, raisins and cardamom for the sweet filling. Roll the dough and add the filling. Fold and seal the edges. Deep fry until golden brown and crispy. That's it. Homemade Karanji is ready to enjoy. Crispy on the outside, sweet and flavorful on the inside. Next is Mysore Pak. Prepare a sugar syrup and bring it to the right consistency. Add besan and mix well without any lumps. Slowly add the ghee while stirring continuously. Cook until the mixture turns frothy and leaves the sides of the pan. Now pour into a greased tray and let it set. Cut into squares and serve. That's it. Rich, buttery and melted in the mouth Mysore Pak is ready. Next up, coconut ladoo. Lightly roast the grated coconut. Now add condensed milk and mix until the mixture thickens. Let it cool slightly and roll into small ladoos. Coat them with desiccated coconut. And that's it. Soft, sweet and delicious coconut ladoos are ready. Chocolate Barfi. Melt the chocolate until smooth and glossy. Add milk powder and mix until a thick mixture forms. Now spread it evenly in a greased tray. Let it set. You can pop this in the refrigerator for setting and then cut into squares. That's it. Rich, fudgy chocolate Barfi is ready. Peanut Jaggery Ladoo. Roast the peanuts until crisp and aromatic. Next, melt the jaggery to make a smooth syrup. Mix the peanuts with the jaggery syrup. You can either crush the peanuts lightly or keep them as is. Shape the mixture into small ladoos while it is still warm. And that's it. Crunchy, nutty and naturally sweet peanut jaggery ladoos are ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching.